Have you ever wondered what the most expensive substances on Earth are? This question might have crossed your mind at some point or another. Imagine rare commodities so unique, so distinct, so sought after that their value exceeds that of gold or diamonds. Now, we are not talking about your typical precious metals or gemstones. No, we're speaking about materials that are so extraordinary. They have the power to shape entire industries, revolutionize technology, and transform our understanding of the world. Picture it. Substances so unusual and profound that they are found in the most remote corners of our planet, or have been created in a laboratory after years of intricate research and experimentation. These are not things that one can simply stumble upon during a casual stroll. They are treasures that scientists and explorers have dedicated their lives to finding. They are the stuff of legends, often the centerpiece of epic tales and grand quests. These mind-boggling substances hold immense potential. They are not only incredibly valuable in monetary terms, but they also hold the key to advancing our society in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine substances that could cure diseases that our current medicines can't touch, or materials that could make space travel as common as taking a flight to another country. What's more, these substances are not always what we might expect. They can be elements, compounds, or even living organisms. They can be as small as a speck of dust or as large as a mountain. Some are dazzling to the eye, shimmering with an array of colors, while are unassuming, hiding their worth beneath a dull exterior. But regardless of their appearance, these substances possess a value that is truly immeasurable. Intriguing, isn't it? The idea of these substances, so rare, so unique, and yet so fundamental to the progression of our world. Their presence on Earth is a testament to the wonders of nature and the ingenuity of mankind, and yet so much about them remains a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Well, brace yourselves, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey of discovery. A journey that will take us deep into the realms of the unknown, into a world of wonder and intrigue. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime. In this video, we will unveil the top 10 most expensive substances on Earth. We are starting our countdown with a substance that is quite rare and precious. This substance, a marvel of nature's creation, is not only scarce, but also holds a significant value in our world. Like diamonds in the rough, these substances are not easy to come by. They are elusive and concealed deep within the Earth's crust or hidden in the vastness of the oceans. But what exactly makes a substance precious? There are a few factors to consider when we talk about the preciousness of a substance. Essentially, there are three important elements: its rarity, how difficult it is to extract, and its market value. Each of these elements plays a significant role in establishing the substance's worth. Rarity is the first key element. The less abundant a substance is, the more sought after it becomes. Just as gold is more prized than iron because it is less common, the scarcity of a substance adds to its allure and value. Rarity is a relative term, of course. Some substances may seem more common than others, but they are still considered rare because they are not found in large quantities or in many places. Next, we consider the element of extraction. This pertains to the amount of effort, resources, and time needed to obtain the substance. The more challenging and risky the extraction process is, the more valuable the substance becomes. Some substances require sophisticated technology and human expertise to be extracted safely and efficiently. This can drive up the cost of extraction and hence the value of the substance. Lastly, we come to the market value of the substance. The market value is not fixed and can fluctuate depending on a variety of factors such as availability, demand, and economic conditions. The more scarce and difficult to extract a substance is, the higher its value tends to be. And of course, its market value is a direct reflection of its demand and supply. An increase in demand without a corresponding increase in supply can cause the price of a substance to rise dramatically. In this, we'll be diving into the intriguing details about these precious substances. We'll explore their origins, the difficulties faced in extracting them, and the reasons for their high market value. You'll get a glimpse into the world of luxury and opulence, where rarity and value go hand in hand. So brace yourselves as we explore the world of precious substances. Securing the 10th spot on our countdown of the world's priciest substances is the mesmerizing rhodium. This extraordinary silvery white metal was discovered by an eminent English chemist, William Hyde Wollaston, in the early 19th century, precisely 1803. The journey of its discovery began when Wollaston was exploring the properties of raw platinum ore, unearthing the existence of this precious metal. Rhodium's name finds its roots in the ancient Greek language, specifically stemming from the word for rose. This unique naming convention is due to its salt's fascinating rose-red color. Providing a beautiful contrast to its silvery white metal, holds a distinguished position in the platinum group of metals, boasting an atomic number of 45, which is quite impressive. One of the striking facets of rhodium that adds to its charm is its physical traits. It's incredibly tough and durable, with an exceedingly high melting point that makes it resistant to most acids. In addition, it has an exceptional resistance to tarnishing, further adding to its remarkable physical attributes. A crucial segment of rhodium's appeal lies in the industry that values it the most, the jewelry industry. Its durability, resistance to tarnishing, and its exquisite silvery white hue make it a coveted material for crafting exquisite pieces of jewelry. However, rhodium's primary utility is not limited to the world of glitz and glamour. It finds extensive use in the automotive industry. Its catalytic properties are highly valued for reducing harmful emissions. The market value of rhodium is majorly governed by its scarcity. An ounce of rhodium is valued at a breathtaking $4,000, making it a highly prized possession. But the high cost of this metal isn't limited to its rarity. Its historical significance, coupled with relevance, particularly in the creation of catalytic converters, adds to its market value, from playing a crucial role in the electronics industry to its applications in specialized glass-making processes. The versatility of rhodium as astounding as its price tag. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Moving on to number 9, we come across the astonishing blue garnet. Unearthed in the late 1990s, this gem has erupted onto the scene, quickly becoming a central point of fascination for both gem aficionados and investigative researchers. Its allure is not solely rooted in its breathtaking beauty, but also in its remarkable, extraordinary characteristics that dramatically enhance its reputation in the sphere of the gemology. The blue garnet is a gem that stands out amongst the rest, primarily due to its ability to change color. This fascinating property has piqued the interest of scholars and scientists on a global scale. Under the bright, radiant rays of daylight, it sports a cool, refreshing blue-green hue. However, as the daylight fades and the warm, inviting glow of light takes over, it undergoes a thrilling transformation. It transitions into a purplish-red hue, a fascinating spectacle known as the Alexandrite effect. The blue garnet is not just visually stunning, it also exhibits a commendable level of durability. With a hardness of 7 to 7.5 on the Mohs scale, it's an exceptionally hardy choice for various types of exquisite jewelry pieces. Though found in a handful of isolated locations across the world, including the picturesque landscapes of and the diverse topography of the United States, their scarcity significantly augments their value. The mesmerizing ability of the blue garnet to change color dramatically enhances its already substantial. This incredible gemstone can fetch jaw-dropping prices of up to $1,500 per carat, making it one of the most precious and luxurious materials known to man. The blue garnets, despite being relatively new discoveries, have swiftly carved a niche for themselves in history. They are recognized and hailed as some of the most unique and intriguing gemstones ever discovered. At number 9 on our list, imagine what treasures we have yet to unveil. Occupying our 8th place, we bring you the captivating Californium-252, a synthetic, highly radioactive element. It's named in honor of California and belongs to the most elusive substances on Earth. Born from powerful nuclear activities, Californium-252 is produced sparingly in specialized high-capacity nuclear reactors. First created in 1950 at the University of California Radiation Laboratory, this element has illuminated the properties and potentials of synthetic transuranium elements, creating an exciting shift in nuclear science. In terms of physical properties, Californium-252 is a shiny white actinide with a high level of radioactivity. It's famous for its capability to release abundant neutrons, making it extremely valuable in several scientific and industrial operations. Historically, californium-252 has contributed significantly to nuclear research, medicine, and/or exploration. Its most profound impact perhaps lies in cancer treatment, bringing forth a novel tool in combating this devastating disease. But this remarkable utility comes at a substantial price. At $27 million for a gram, 252 demonstrates our determination to exploit the elements, regardless scarcity or cost. Yes, that's right, a whopping $27 million for a mere gram. It's an evident marker of our audacious efforts to utilize the elements, irrespective of their rareness expense. So, are you ready for more? And now we have reached the climax of our tale, awarding the title of the most expensive substance to antimatter. This elusive element, both scarce and genuine, shrouded in the realm of scientific fantasy, is prized for its rarity and remarkable potential. Its presence is so sparse that it's thought a mere nanograms have ever been successfully created. Antimatter, in essence, is the mirror reflection of what we understand as regular matter. What happens when these two meet? They explosively annihilate each other, of bright energy. This spectacle, this raw exhibition of energy, could potentially transform antimatter into an enormous source of power. The discovery of antimatter has significantly impacted our comprehension of scientific phenomena, allowing us to unravel the intricate mysteries cosmos. It's contributed immensely to our understanding of the universe, enriching our knowledge of the vast cosmic theater. Its unique characteristics have found utility in the field of medical imaging. It has enabled the creation of highly precise imaging techniques, contributing to advancements in health and medicine. But what exactly antimatter, the most expensive substance in existence? Its production process, a complex and energy-intensive endeavor. The expense incurred to produce merely a gram of antimatter is an astronomical $25 billion. Yes, let that sink in. A whopping $25 billion for just a single gram. If this gram could be completely converted into energy, it could power an entire city, like New York, for an entire day. Antimatter embodies the wonders of nature and the resourcefulness of human intellect. Its discovery, the subsequent investigation of its properties, have opened up new frontiers in science, establishing it as not only the priciest substance, but also one of the most impactful. And so we conclude our tale as antimatter stands as a testament to the marvels of the universe and human ingenuity. It's not just the most expensive substance, but also one of the most significant. So there we have it, the 10 most expensive substances on Earth. This journey has taken us across the globe and through the periodic table, shedding light on why these substances hold such value. We began with saffron, a spice more precious than gold derived from the delicate saffron crocus flower. We then explored the realm of precious metals, examining the allure of gold, platinum, and rhodium. Each shining with unique qualities, gold's timeless appeal to rhodium's resistance to corrosion. Beyond metals, we delved into the world's priciest gemstones, blue garnet and pink star diamond. Their rare beauty and unique properties make them a treasure for collectors and jewelry lovers. We then focused on scientific substances like antimatter, a reality in modern physics with great potential for future technologies. We also looked at californium-252, a rare, highly radioactive element used in various scientific and industrial applications. Our journey concluded with the most expensive substance, endohedral fullerenes. These microstructures can trap atoms and could revolutionize fields from medicine to electronics. Their price reflects not just their rarity, but their potential to shape our future. While these substances' value is incredible, it's crucial to remember that their worth is about more than just their cost. Each holds a unique place in our world, in our kitchens, our jewelry boxes, our labs, or our industries. They showcase the world's incredible diversity and richness and the wonders that await us as we continue exploring. The next time you think something is expensive, remember this list. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey and stay curious.